G'day everyone, welcome back to another trending print. This week it's an articulated dragon from Printables. Not something I'd normally print because it's not particularly functional, but I have to remind myself it's what's trending, so it's what everyone wants to see. It does give me a chance to try this matte wood color filament from Overture, so let's get printing. It's really obvious in this print that I use a slightly higher temperature on the first layer, and you can see that from all the stringing. I always lower the temperature after the first layer to get rid of that stringing, but it does give a really good finish at the high temperature, and you'll see that at the end. The stringing on the first layer is pretty easy to get rid of as well. You can see on the table that I tried a few scaled down versions to see how they'd go. One at 40% and one at 30%. Even though the layer height was only 0.12 millimeters, the links in between the sections were fairly weak and a lot of spots, and both scaled versions broke pretty easily. I think the resolution of a good resin printer would make all the difference, so if you've got one and try out a 30% scaled version, let us know, comment below. There she is. The movement is really good and it's surprisingly satisfying to feel it move around when you play with it. I can really recommend this Overture filament as well. Seeing it's the first time using it, I think it's come out really good. I'd probably stay at about 205 degrees, around 40 to 60 millimeters a second with a 0.4 nozzle. The first layer texture from the magnetic mat you can see is really good too. All the details for the print are in the description, as well as links to the filament. Subscribe, hit the bell, and get notified when new videos come out. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.